In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pipedrive campaigns. We'll go from logging in to building your email from scratch, all the way through previewing, saving, verifying your sender, and sending it to your subscribers. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head to the marketing section and open Campaigns. Campaigns is Pipedrive's built-in email marketing tool. It lets you design and send branded emails to your CRM contacts and track performance without leaving Pipedrive. Create a new email campaign. In the campaign setup, add your subject line. In this example, we'll use March Fitness Promo. Keep your subject concise and clear, so recipients instantly know the value they'll get. Next, choose when to send. Select Send immediately to deliver the message right away. If you prefer, you can schedule a specific date and time. Immediate sending is great for timely updates, while scheduling helps you coordinate across time zones or align with a launch. Now, create your content. Click Create New, then choose Start from Blank so you have full control of the layout. In the editor, drag a title block onto the canvas and type your headline. Make it attention-grabbing and consistent with your subject. Drag a paragraph block beneath it and write the body of your email. Keep paragraphs short, focus on the main benefit, and include any essential details, what you're offering, who it's for, and what to do next. Aim for a friendly, helpful tone that matches your brand. Add a button block to give readers a clear call to action. Click the button, then enter the URL it should link to. This is where you direct people, your website, a sign-up page, or a product. Use a secure link starting with HTTPS and label the button with a clear action, like Claim Offer or Learn More. If you want to encourage engagement on other channels, drag in a social block. This adds icons for your social profiles. Click each link and paste the correct URL for your accounts. Remove any networks you don't use so the email stays clean. When the design looks good, click Preview. This shows how your email appears on desktop and mobile. Check spacing, images, and links to ensure everything works as expected. Close the preview when you're done. Click Save and Close, then give your campaign a clear internal name so you can find it later. Before sending, click Verify Email and complete the quick verification from your inbox so your sender address is approved. Finally, click Send. Make sure you're sending only to contacts who are marked as subscribers and have given permission. That helps with compliance and deliverability. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.